Hey, this is Dave from Solvent Printer Conversions, soon to be solventprinterguys.com. Today is the 23rd of August 2019. I'm standing here next to a Roland SP300v that we've just completely overhauled. And this one is actually headed on its way to Idaho here shortly to a customer who's already made plans to purchase it. But I want to show it to anybody who's looking for printers because we have a twin to this that we will be refurbishing and putting up for sale shortly. So I want to talk a little bit about this printer and a couple of the other printers that we've got coming up soon. This is the Roland SP300v. It's one of the simplest to maintain, most cost-effective, and easiest to use Roland printers that we work with. The SP300v and its bigger brother, the SP540v, are excellent, versatile, well-built, and well-engineered machines. They are not a new model, but because they're very popular in the Roland history and lineup, there's a whole bunch of them out there, and we always love it when we get one in here because when we're able to overhaul it, put in a whole bunch of new parts, and calibrate it and everything and get it into somebody's hands, we tend to have some of our happiest customers because it does what they need. This one is a smaller machine. It is an available media width of only 30 inches, a print width of about 28 inches. It is a printer and a cutter, and so the most popular uses for this model are different types of stickers, decals, doing heat transfer vinyl for apparel, stuff for small signs, like if you wanted to start with a blank and make a customized sign like this, you know, you could cut out the vinyl, you could do a print and cut thing, whatever, and then apply it to this. You'd have no problem with your 30-inch wide machine. If you wanted to get into making you know, window decals and stuff for area high school, you know, sports teams and stuff, this would be perfect for that. And again, the apparel market with using heat transfer vinyls that you can print and cut or just cut, is that plus stickers and decals is really where the sweet spot for this 30-inch model is. When we overhaul a machine, it is going to get a whole new ink system from end to end. And so we start on one end with our refillable ink cartridges and our own USA-made premium Better Banner EcoSolvent inks that are a direct match for Roland EcoSol Max, but at half the price. Then we go through with all new O-rings and ink lines from there, all the way up to the head carriage. We put in new dampers and O-rings on that end. We put in new heads, brand new heads, no refurbished or flushed or aftermarket or anything. Those are genuine, brand new heads, new cap tops, and we'll completely overhaul the pumps in there so that you make sure that you've got end-to-end all new ink system, because that's really the part that takes the toll on these machines. And very often when we buy them, they haven't been running for a little bit because of clogs and clots and other things. So we don't like to recycle those parts. We like to, you know, start fresh so that you get something reliable. Right now this is going through the cutting part of the job where it did a print and a cut. And that's the magic of this model, is its ability to print and cut. This and other models similar to it are going to have built-in features where they can do automatic cleaning cycles on their own. These machines are EcoSolvent from the start, from the factory. So if you've been watching our stuff for a while, you know that we used to do a lot of conversions from aqueous Roland models to turning them into EcoSolvent models, which worked well, but there are a couple of hiccups there. These are factory EcoSolvent models, and we're just bringing them back to factory spec. And so thereby they have the cleaning cycles built in and all that. They also work with and would come with Roland VersaWorks RIP software, which will allow you to generate your artwork in the Corel Draw suite or the Adobe Illustrator suite, or the Adobe Creative Suite, including Illustrator and Photoshop, and then bring those files over to Roland VersaWorks, which will run on any PC up through and including Windows 10. And that will let you create some great, colorful, beautiful stuff and get it onto, onto a wide variety of medias. Sheet cut here. And the machines that we have available for sale right now, or in the very near future, we have another one of these, the SP300v. We also have a number of 54-inch roll-in models, including an SP300v, so the larger version of this. Then we have a couple VP 540s that we're also going to be working on, which is a 4-head, slightly newer version of this machine, a little bit faster than this model. And then we also have a couple of their Pro series, the Pro 2 series, which would be the SC545EXs, which would be the 6-head, 6-color, even faster still. Many of these are available with take-up reels if that's something that you're interested in. We try to be more thorough than anybody else around that we know in the refurbishing business. We back it up with support over the phone. We spend a lot of our time on the phone helping our customers. We stock a lot of parts, and we want to make sure that you can get what you need. So that's just a quick example of a print cut job. Super easy. That was run in a standard mode. There is a high quality mode and also a high speed mode. But because this machine has brand new parts in it, it can do a beautiful job in the standard print mode, so you can get things done in a reasonable amount of time. If this is something that you're interested in, most of our completely refurbished machines that we're working on now are going to be in the kind of the price window of about $6,000 to $8,000 depending upon the model. If it's something that you're interested in looking at, talking to us about other machines that we have coming up, we'd love to talk to you. I'm Dave. Also, if you call our shop, you might talk to Matt, who is my right-hand guy of the past decade, and he is super knowledgeable and helpful and could also guide you on your way. We'd love to hear from you. Our phone number here is 330-556-5485, or you can email me directly, dave@solventprinterconversion.com, and we hope to hear from you soon. Thanks for watching.